Sorry, I don't know where the keys are for that one.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, there's another one.
No. Yeah. Oh, I was trying not to get one over. Well, good morning and welcome to Dynodaze. Today is a little bit of a Honda meet. It's going to be a bit of a chilled out one, but there's plenty to see and plenty to look at. Some great people already here, I can see. Hello, Daz.
Hello.
Here's the main man. How's it going, dude? This gentleman has owned this 21 years. That's pretty cool. Here's DAZR's car, as you all know. And then we got a bit more Hondas down here, and it is only early. I think it's about 5 to 9 so far, but there's some lovely cars here. Look at that. That's a good wheel choice, isn't it? Same colour as mine, this one. Yeah, that's beautiful. Here's a nice little weapon. That's looking good. Morning.
Morning.
How you going?
Not too bad.
Obviously we've got Uncle Keith still working in the paint shop already. Oh, is that a Supra? Richard's brought his Supra. Some more K20s. Yeah, it's early, so we're getting some forms filled out for the dyno. We're going to see this on the dyno momentarily, so I think we'll kick the day off with this one. Someone's just asked Richard about his Supra, so there's going to be at least a 20-minute wait. So, okay, let's crack on. Yeah, you don't see many, do you?
No, very rare.
Okay, so first on the dyno this morning is this Accord. It's a K20, it's a low-fat K20, but there's a good chance that we'll be putting an FN2 engine in this one, if I could just convince him to do it. So we're going to put it up on the dyno, and we're going to see what power she makes today. Yeah, and like I say, this one's kicking us off, and there's a few in the queue. There's our DAZR, and he's making his YouTube video. Next up is Bill Taz Reeves. FN2.
Yeah, not too bad.
Let's see what she does. Yeah, you made that. Joe sat in someone's car again. Well done, Joe.